1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Yay! Good job, Nicholas. You want to do it one more time?
Mommy.
One more time. Are you ready? Here we go.
Wow.
Wow. Are you ready to count? Are you ready to count? Take your nook out. 1,
2,
3, 5. What's after 5? Huh? 6, 8, 8, 9.
10.
Very good.